war, them a man a war. Now I go and clock up on. I don't call the police, no war this. What go on? Can't be such an early morning war. What go on, man?
Elder, I saw you there were rob me, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, man, they work with also. Drugs, yo, hide that some man. Hide that, lock up, brother. Come here. Silent. Don't say it.
Man escape youth. Bad man. You never say. The man run to Jamaica, brother. Yo, I see what's been in a boot here, make him man run the field. Yo, drop off for me, bad man. What you want me do? You want me general?
I go on soldiers. Pick up myself, man.
Yeah, man.
So man, they look clean and fresh like a
man. Yeah, man. Yo, here what go on.
Oh, this is
you see one youth pass now, aqua shot.
No, so I'm not stay man pass your brother. You know, say from the day I two are you first when I pass your brother. Swear from my life, brother. The man no pass you unless them gone to the front. Cause 3 way, you know, so you must come also.
So if you see me that tell way?
How you mean, man? Like I sitting in the like 2 man on the floor and I'm not so clean. I must up wrong boy doing, man. What color shirt is him now again, brother?
Aqua color, man. They color like similar to sky blue.
Yeah. So as long as in the Negril beach, we will see him. This is Negril, nobody can hide. That one the robber now.
You know, say boy style thing though. But you know, say
what's saying again?
Aqua color shirt, man, similar to sky blue.
Oh yeah. Bring back my memory, no brother. You know, say me see a youth gone up the beach there. That man they could have reached all up Alfred and up on the beach there, you know. Without got two white guys, because this is Negril. The man touch the beach already.
Alright, here now, respect here.
Yes, brother. So your brother like come tell me, man, God, you can't live a thing, man. And it's small.
Yeah, let's tell me.
Yeah, man, it's small, man.
I'm going to boy today. Yo, here, hold on for this. You see, yes, anyhow, we find him.
Yeah.
We are come back on circle and hear it better.
I feel like just someone right now in the beach.
Come on, G, because we don't no time.
Boy, God, man. Respect, man.
You alright?
Sure, yeah.
You know somebody well wants to see you for true because we have a little woman who go down a dream the other day and she had tell me so she buy one phone for you and she has the police come there and you know I question her about the phone, say a thief in phone. So I want to know you're not thief in phone business?
Yeah, auntie. You know my business staying straight already. You know say for a long time you're not too like me. So then we say anything. But make my business them straight up front. So I don't know nothing
Make sure you're not in a hit. Because Jean tell me and I feel your name call. And you know so they don't like you already. So they may hug your basket to carry water. Me talk to you all the while, you know. The last time, remember me talk to you about the partner and you waste your money? This time, make sure. I mean, I tell
So
you
like you
again.
believe them, so auntie, I not like that. Not all like that. Right now, we just need if you just pray for me. Right now I run me have to run because I have a little business to take care of.
By the way, the last time we see a church, I went there and come christen you. No make that happen. You see this month here, we have family month. So I want you to come to church Sunday morning. Right? You come with me. And I make sure I call you and you come to church Sunday morning. Because we have a special speaker. It's a youth, young man like you coming to speak. I mean, no, you don't want to miss that. Alright?
I'm not going to promise you say I come to church this Sunday or this Monday, but I'm going to make effort to try come. Because a long time you have to tell me about church for ever since. I can't remember when last I come to church.
Make sure you put out the effort to come. No joke about it. Because you see your grandmother never raised you like that. She's a good Christian lady. But ever since she died and gone, it's like you lose. And I don't know you as that little young man. You have so much more in you.
I have to run, so I see you.
And I really believe in that fun. But you know you have to be careful in a time like this. So alright then, you take care and me pray for you. Alright, remember me love you.
You love it too, auntie,
Alright,
man.
take care.
You know how to survive already.
Yes, man. Alright.
Alright, later.
Yes.
Yeah, man, how to get this phone right now? And if you have no contact. See it.
How this a call me? Hello?
Yeah, you sell iPhone them?
Yeah, man, I sell an iPhone. Them.
You know, say me see one phone there, 45 grand, and you know, say yo, mother like fi buy it. You still have it?
Yes, me have more in stock, you know. The location and Negril. You don't know Negril. I hear now. If I reach a Negril and come and run about, you can't last. Just call me. And me come job. Of course me have it, man. Me have whole heap in a stock. You have the money?
Yeah, man, me have the money, man. If you say I play thing, you don't do evidence.
As long as you have the money. You sure say you have the money?
You come and ask me again if me have the money. Me have the money, father.
Location and Negril. You can't last. When you come and Negril and come and run about. When you reach night town, me will come and check you.
Alright.
Baby, yo, should deal with the food for me, you know. Come home.
Every day this man I dey on phone with you.
So call about.
Oh, go on.
Bad man, I'm tell you.
Oh, go on.
So your man spam phone you. I'm tell you.
Yo, bro G, may I ask some question,
Yeah.
bro G? How you always girl ever chat?
What's glad? I know say something like this here coming in, bro.
Boy, I'm going now.
We are the pan road, you tell us if you don't come pan road.
Mommy,
You lock up the place?
you know, man, I like a place, man. You ever see me the place and now like here. I try something important, man.
You see if you have some puppy show, we are do the kerchief on your head. How much time you tell us if you stop dressing? You just have to take up people's attitude and start dressing in a way.
Mommy, you don't know anything, mommy. You sound hot and you understand?
Anyway, what you want to talk to me about?
You remember you promised me something from last year for my birthday? Yeah, man, a little money, man. So, yeah, I hit me and ask if I could have get it right.
So what you want the money for do now?
Mommy, I know, say I want phone more and buy.
So what to your phone when your auntie send come give you the other day?
Mommy, if one of me have mommy, you don't know say you know that 100. And I like some not grateful, you know, I'm grateful to Auntie Karen, you know, but if one another phone there, I mean you don't know if me think my young boy and my hot boy. Look on the phone. You know, 100 is not even the camera. Me can't take too bad picture of send something. I don't know say my hot boy and
matter of fact, take off your summer for your head. Take off your summer for your head and line up yourself good. A matter of fact, go on down. Because I don't know how nowadays you pick up this hype man thing. This young boy nowadays thing wanna have pants for body, kerchief tie around head. Now you're gonna tell me say you want new hype phone. Not even know where you know what to say to you. Because right now you piss me off. You don't know how things expensive and every day you just want to get up and have this new thing, new this. And I take up this new style with these young people. Right now you're not even going good at school. Nothing not going for you. Your grades drop, everything for you drop. Because what? You want to live this life thing. You're not going to work out, you know. You're not going to work out because honestly, if you send you to school, you think it's easy. You know, easy. You see how hard me have for your work. And your father not give me nothing. Your father not give me no money. I know you're going to talk about you want a new phone. Huh? After your auntie send you a phone, you're going to talk about you want a new phone because your camera not good and this and that. It's alright, you know, my youth. It makes sense you're going down, you know. It makes sense you're going down. You hear me, I tell you? Makes sense you're going down. But you're going to talk about you want a phone. Hype phone. Because you're a young boy, you're a hype boy on the street, but you want a new phone. A matter of fact, when see around so I'm going to use the bathroom and come back. Eh? You know how much you think, you know how much you want a phone? That talk about you want a new phone and you just get one phone the other day. We just say to the person, I want to tell you to go stay and go use the bathroom.
The phone I did have the other day. Yes, one big phone. Girl, me tell us that I go down to one store go buy the phone. After me go in the store, I see the nice phone, you know, and me go book so to look boy to get the money. And me go buy the phone. Me had good one day. I take selfie, because you know me love take my selfie. Yeah, girl. And girl, me say me go snap, you know. Because the day in the night I did one party and me excited, you know, girl, and ready to go to the party, you know, with the brand new phone. Yeah. When me look, no police come on me yard. Me know me heart a beat out of my chest, girl. Me don't know what police are doing me yard.
Mommy, you can't get one of them shoes, please.
No, come go on now. And a matter of fact, don't left back the yard. No left the yard for the rest of the day. And I may you have nothing. Me say no left back the yard. You hear me, I tell you?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Alright, love you.
Love you too.
He ma go make me know say a thief in phone the man sell me.
Lord Jesus Christ.
After the man collect so much money, you know, girl.
Me tell us if you buy the phone a day now.
But girl, what if I did the same thing?
Jesus Christ.
You say me Dave not go on no yard. Blink stunner.
Hello. Good evening. I know some about 14 more the iPhone 15 them. Yeah. No, no, there's still one in stock. Okay. Yeah.
Boy, son, hot tea, man. Yo, stand alive. Look like nobody in there, man. Yo! Stunner! Boy, nobody know did it. Boy, hard a hearing still doing it. Kid dog have somebody in the house, man. Stunner!
Yo,
Oh, boy, I pray, man. You see me a shout out, you hard a hearing, man.
there, man. Just put on some clothes to touch your road.
Go open up this now, man.
You up in, man. Just move it here.
Oh, yo, I don't even see it, you know. That no
I
start.
made some, I pray. If you have them, you want about 5. Because then I will see like an iPhone. Give me a minute, so call you. Give me about 5 minutes.
Yo, you see me call them, man. Yo, you not even know what go on. That's why I'll come up here say no. Yo, fly get up and come in now.
See all the youth, I want to know. Forward, man, get up, man.
Yeah, how you say? I walk. I wear man set all the padlock. Yeah, me tell you what go on. You not go believe.
I never have some $1,000 in my box. Don't send me to buy nothing. No. I could never Anthony go in my money a while ago. I could never Anthony go in my money a while ago. No, you wait until me go down me and him deal with. Seriously? One penny tea from me?
Boy, so I did, man. Like a day I go up on a quick move, man.
Yeah, man.
Boy, I say, oh, I have to check a car. Boy, I get one deal, it's too sweet for them even tell me, you see me?
What kind of deal? Car deal or what?
Boy, you don't say I want a phone deal, cousin.
No, that ain't bad Samsung there.
No, man, iPhone, man. I know say iPhone is anything now, man.
You don't even know what go on.
Yeah,
Yo,
tell me, man.
me see me call them, you know.
Yeah, Gina, man. That's how you go on.
Yo, here what go on. Here what go on. You know, so last night, I on hands. I want to spray and bread. I say, show out in here. So I look so, brother. Some kid I want to play some. I stay so. Now, you see me? I say, how are you up to? When I look, I see man show out. 2 cases of red stripe. I see man comes up. Why do I want to spot me? I say, I did they said we, I mean, I see nothing. I feel like off all the phone. That's why I see you call me first time. I feel like off all the phone. I look, I see man. 2 Heineken. 2 red stripe. Dragon light beer. So I say, where am I get them there? I look. I run the man running at some people place, brother. Watch your man come so. I make around 10 trip. 2 in my hand, you know. Say, alright. Go on, watch him, because I know say after I call him trip there. Him can't move like that, you know. Look, me see him cut. Go over there, brother. I'm come so. I be empty buckle, man.
So the man was selling buckle them, boy.
I don't film them.
Film them now?
I film them now.
So yo, different from that story there. But you tell them say I get it from there. Like, me call you for you now.
I hear now. I just show the little thing they go on, you know. But I make it reach an idea, yeah. Because right now, I have an iPhone. I want to sell.
Yeah, bro, what kind of iPhone?
Yeah, man, iPhone 14, man. Good deal, you know. You know how much man get you for? 45,000, you know.
15, max or regular 15?
Irregular 15, man.
45 that's like some backdoor thing, yo.
But boy, I can't make this a deal too sweet. This a deal sweeter than Nestle.
You have to be careful now, man, because you know, that's how they chop for my sister on Instagram, you know what I'm doing.
Instagram, I sell the iPhone 14. 14 Pro, yeah, brother.
Bro, if you top there and sit there, bro, General Star. Someone start from pencil and sharp, not to phone. Oh.
They talk to me.
Chat there and chat that phone there still.
You say like a chop?
Yeah, chop that now. So I wait with that idea with on Instagram or...
Look on this no man, see thing no man. See a legit thing.
Boy, look too good to be true. Well, not because you see that means say real no. Man can't just put up a phone and say real. I see some man never sell one car. Axio for 750 and you know say Axio them go for like 1.3. You know that a rip off the same way, is it?
The car they are good, but that phone they look on you and say Chris.
Yeah, but a man can't just put up a phone and say, alright, wait.
But may I tell you, say you're a smart boy in the street, no boy can't do anything.
You think then still, can I work out for you if I get you any digit, is it?
Yo, we are come through for you today, you know.
Yeah, man, I believe it, man.
As we chop the piece of food, and I come calling you.
Alright, sir.
I know, say, I'm not too far from where me I do piece of business, you know. Yeah, man.
When you say all the business, you know, man.
We are come through, man. We are come through.
Cool life, man. Believe me, man. You
No, we don't go so, man. No go so, man. Me love
Brother,
you,
me
man.
brother.
They say old man crutch.
Brother.
Listen to me.
Alright, watch out now. Since morning, my big woman look about caramel porridge to me. With bombard, Excelsior crackers on the side. Alright, now I better my mama just come off her phone. And watch out now. I tell me I'm gonna deal with some bombard steam fish run down for me, brother. I'm telling my youth.
I know if you want up there, though.
Probably up there sleeping, even come out of bed yet.
Me I tell you that right now, like me have to go get one of the old one.
No dog, I know way you much, I know probably like a young one them, but I know every big woman stay same, you know.
Like what you say, I'm forward, you know, cousin. You can't bother, you know, man, I have to go shoot grass, because I can't make that the deal they go with me, isn't it?
For real. That's a good deal. I feel really just careful and make sure that I phone where you see them as you know, old phone or phone where battery not good or you know what I mean?
Oh yeah, I talk to man, I don't know, so you speed smart and something, man. Anyways,
yeah, man,
but you keep shut, let's eat.
Let's
Get
go.
that. Yeah, man. Get the phone, you know.
I know say them a young girl nowadays. Nah, buy you nothing. Nowadays, my big woman buy more bombard. Order it from for bombard, Amazon, ship come to Jamaica, yeah. England, me I tell you about, brother. Me not talk about no knocks or no knock-off business. You see me?
See, pray, man.
Yeah, man, you have to get yourself a big woman to take care of me. No young girl not take care of you so bad,
You
man.
know, say true, dog. Because enough of them young girls can cook and even want grow on the stove with my father. God knows. So sometimes I see all the big woman them. Yeah, dog, that's my right thing for true, my friend.
Which number this? You know the number, yeah? Hello? How this? Oh, that sound like a such man. Such man. Yeah,
Fear boy, man. You don't know who me at
yo. You know, see me up on the ends door. Where you up on? Alright, do it down. Me there on my ground and waiting up, bro. Alright, my general.
$45,000, you know.
45,000. I have to be careful now, man, because you know, I saw them chat my sister on Instagram nowadays.
Eh? Oh yeah, I say.
Yeah, man.
Go on.
You know, say me and the man go on a piece of work and we say we want 2 phones. You see me? And you know, say, boom, the phone there really. You see me? There, yeah, man, and we get them. That man, they have them. I know what man go do.
When go on?
Go give woman the phone, my friend. And before, and I may make money. You see me?
Foolishness that's
But man, right now, I'm going to lift up.
he never dismayed, so I can't say
right
nothing.
now, I'm
You know?
going to lift up, my friend, because I believe in, you see me?
Yeah,
Channel.
you're right, man. I'm going to just want one office Smith and just want to wait for the G till he reach. You see me? That's the right.
You know, for my style.
Alright, me there, man.
Alright.
There, man.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm a G.
Reach. I mean, man, I wonder, say, yo, where I do so long round this up.
You know what I say? I run, I back me the door.
Alright, straight in our business. I not even want to itch. Here what I go on now. I say, I come call link you. I have a nigga, I say, tell him, say, up on Instagram. So
So now sell him one iPhone 14 Pro. You don't know a place, you would have money upon him. You see me? So right now I hit one take off for him. So here I know, you're going to town. I want if you go in town as a man on the ground. You don't know a place you can easily spot him out. A simple thing that you don't supposed to take him more than 5 minutes. You take off the food off for him. You give a piece of food outside because I know a few things set, you see me? But I know say you have a youth. Boy, so sweet, you know, my boy. Watch out now. I really don't want to go fast crime when I time them, so I go down in the town. I go there in the town, if you say so. Give me a link. That's no problem. As you link me, I give you a link. See your word, you know. I'm a general. You get around, you know.
Yeah.
Yo, General. How which part are you there?
Place one against one ATM, you see me? 45,000, you know.
45,000. You have to be careful now, man, because I saw them chat my sister on Instagram now.
Me now want black shot, you see me? Yeah, easy to spot out, man. Me now want black shot. Oh, you're not reaching out on it.
Alright, here now. Give me 5 minutes. Soon come.
5 minutes. Alright, that maybe now wait for the phone, so yeah. Make sure you have your phone, you know, man. Alright, have you that more here. Alright. Alright, so now say a word then. Alright, cool. Alright, what?
Come on, don't move, man. Come on, Bulby, man. Answer your phone, man. Yeah, just give me a minute. Yeah, the general called me, the social thing. Yo, my G. I'm on. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man, step on the car and I'm going to roll out now. In the ATM, now I'm black shot. That's how you feel there, you know? Yeah, man. I'm soon forward.
Yeah.
Yes, my general. I say black shirt in here now.
You reach already? Oh. One black shirt, Mr. Man. Yeah. One black shirt in the ATM.
So, this man tell me say man in a black shirt at ATM. I don't see nobody in a black shirt in a ATM. It's all about this agenda. I don't know what, I don't to understand what I'm going, you know. Man, I didn't even want to pick up your phone, you know. What do you want? Yo, my G. You tell me say man out here in a black shirt. Not in a black shirt. You to you the short. You the short him back after you short me. Yeah, you to out here man, and I know black shirt me see you know. No brother. Yo, style match I style you know. What you think me fi do? Yes say. Link him. Yo, dog, I move off in you. What you say we fi do? Bring him forward. Go on, my G. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know, say, the boy run off though. Come like a bolt, brother, to Bombay, man. Fast, see? Even though where dog turn. How where you there? Yo, come give me a link now. Yeah, look for your boy, man. Cause I like your boy have money to, you know, me general. Cause I wanna run, so. Man, I run your frig. Alright. I still go on patrol till I forward now, cause we have to book him today, you know. We have to find him, you know. I want the money right now, my daughter down there hungry, you know. Oh.
Good evening, man.
Good evening.
I wish part here, so which part me there? Cause I don't know a place in my new year.
Okay, you're in the grill. You're in the cross market in the grill.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, you make it thing obvious, make your man.
My youth.
You sure see over here so you run, you come.
My youth, I have to over here so your man come, bro. I can't stretching done so fast. I'm not so when him done the stretch. I'm not so fast. I have to over here and come.
Brother, the same thing you tell me did happen, brother. Yeah, brother. So what you know, like how you don't know a place and see which part you can go to get it clear right now.
Alright, here I know where you go on. You go so and you go so. Cause we want a piece of food there and until we want
My
it.
youth,
You need to get there right now.
Why the man war? Now I go on to crack up part. I'll call the police, no worry. I go on. Can't be say such an early morning war.
Yeah?
I go on, man.
Elder, I saw you, two youth there who rob me, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, they way could also. Drugs, yo, hide your son, man. Hide me, lock up, brother. Come here.
tell me say man a chops man, brother.
Where you going?
Man, you don't know, man, run off left me out.
So my king man run left you.
No, silent. Don't say it.
Man, escape you.
Bad man, You never say, the man run to Jamaica, brother.
Yo, I see pass me now in a boot here, make him man run
Yo,
on
pants there drop off for me, bad man. You want me do? Yo, me general.
I go on soldiers.
Yeah,
Pick up
man.
myself, man.
Yeah, man.
So man, they look clean and fresh like a
Yeah,
man.
man.
Yeah, man. Yo, here what go on, me general.
this is
You see one youth pass now, aqua cola shot.
No, sir, me not see them on the pass, your brother. You know, sir, from the day I two are you first time on this pass, that's a brother. Swear upon my life, brother. No man no pass, yeah. Unless them gone to the front. Cause 3 way, you know, so you know, must come also.
So if you see me, that tell way.
How you mean, man? I like I sitting in the like 2 man and 4 and I'm not so clean. I must something wrong, boy, I don't know, man. What color shirt is him now again, brother?
Aqua color, man. They color like a similar to sky blue.
Yeah, so as long as in the Negril beach, yeah, we will see him. This is Negril, nobody can hide. That one the robber now.
You know, say boy style of thing though.
Mm.
But you know, say
What's saying now again?
Aqua color shot, man. Similar to sky blue.
Oh, yeah. Bring back my memory, no, brother. You know, say me see a youth gone up the beach there. That man they could have reached all up Alfred and up on the beach there, you know. Without call 2 white girl, because this is Negril. The man touch the beach here, really.
Alright, here now. Respect, here.
Yes, brother. So your brother, like, come tell me, man, God, you can't live a thing, man. And it's small.
yeah, let's see me.
Yeah, man, it's small, man.
I'm fool the boy that today.
Yo, here, hold on for this. You see,
Yes,
anyhow, we
brother.
find him.
Yeah.
We are come back on circle and yes,
Real,
it's better.
Man. You like just someone right now on the Negril beach.
Come on, Jika, we not
Alright.
no time.
Boy, gone, yeah.
I got so much phone, so I can't get my phone. Check my phone case.
Yo, Parry. Yo, come on, you brother, then gone, no. Yeah, man, you know, some canny boy, they want to take all the thing off of them. So, brother, it's like when we can't, in your team, look at you, because you don't
Man, I
know.
see you,
Respect, man, respect. Yo, go some MC card.
So we can get taxi.
What do you mean, man? You can't get a taxi right now at all.
Alright, bless him.
Man, that's here, long life.
My dream. Man. Oh, Jesus.
What a dream.
Boy, they Karen. Watch out, Lisa want me. Lisa want go and look for what me rent there. I put your thing, me should have put out your things them. You're there, so come call about what go and Lisa. How much money you owe me, Karen, in a rent? How much money you owe me in a rent, Karen? Your things them should have out there, so. Out a gate, you should have come see them. You come and contact, boy. Me know your face, you shoot, you think me not there, I know. I think you think me not there, that's why you come here. But me tell you something, me that plan for you, me that look out for you. But me tell you something, I want my rent money.
Lord God, Lisa, take
today.
time now.
No.
You have to make everybody know, say me where I want to look money up on the road, me go. I'm going to sort out want to look money. Just give me a little more time now, you soon get the money. Please, me ask you, give me a little more time.
Time? One more time you want. You not pay no money, you not pay me no money January. You not pay me none February. And 1 month we now, you know, March. One more time you want. One more time. Me need my money today as you get put out.
Hold on, the Lisa, and I have to reach so far. Me just come off fire road. Me just run go up here and beard and put on some clothes. If you get that money, later on me sort out here, we get that thing.
What you say? You go beard, sort out yourself, and go up on the road, sort out for me get that money. When me I get the money? When me I get the money? When me I go get the money? When?
Lisa,
Next
3
3 months from this?
Calm down yourself. Now let me tell you, today me I give you money.
Me don't get no money from you today. You get put out. You see that lock there?
I'm fresh and go up on the road. Me I go sort out one little thing and you get the money, man. You not
do
feel
what
be
you
so
do.
rough.
You get privilege because you're a woman like me. So go on, go wash up your crotches. Oh God, think you man, you think you go on today, yeah? Because
Relax, man. One tail. What wrong with you? Watch out.
Yeah, squeeze my arm.
One tail. What problem? What happened to you, Kayla? What problem? What happened?
We do what?
You mean say we do what? What make me have to talk to you over and over and over again?
What you talk about? Me don't know what you are talking about.
See there? And that me a talk about. Hello? And that me a talk about. See there? In a phone.
You love make a big deal over out of everything. I just look a message me and answer.
No need to see that girl. I don't talk about that, you know. I start not about the focus. We have to focus on the style. That me I talk about, me concerned about the business. We barely make the money and start already. We barely make the money. And the reason why we don't make the money is because you're always in the phone and text. When people them come and start, you don't pay attention to them because you're in your phone. And you make we not make the money and start, you know? You make the business and go on with that. You cause all of that.
Because of me. I do my part. You just always depend on my case over everything. I'm tired of it.
Me depend on your case. Me depend on your case because we need to survive. Because mommy and daddy not there, so we need to work together to make ends meet. You understand me?
Me know. But me don't want to spend the rest of my life as still a star. I want to go back to school, go meet new friends and have a normal life like any other young people.
Me understand that. But you understand that. So we can't depend on phone all day, I text on phone and not focus on the style. Because we have to work hard. We can't sit down and wait for things we have to work hard for that.
I know the money energy and the principle.
Sure, say I want it to happen, G. I remember saying, when them things are happening, brother, police are going involved, you know.
Brother, Westmoreland G come from. Want a program run for him today. And another that I know, you know, say better if me use your phone or call him, me get to go and show you a styling thing in there.
Our situation, I know situation already.
Well, you know, you get the nicest job. You stump on beach and watch your sexy lady them a pass. People not even like Joan again like one time. And me have to sit down and I ask people what them want to buy and them not even care, them out to disrespect me. You get the nice job. You not experience what me experience at daytime.
The easy job. And me get the easy job. Come on, Pitney man. How were you there when time people come out of the water, we get stung by jellyfish, sea urchin pop up on the foot and stuff, and me have to attend to that. You now gonna spend time to see that. You talk about pretty girl, you're there in your phone every single day. Me can turn my head from the station and look for you in your phone every day. You tell me about pretty girl? Come on, man.
You can't go and talk. Enough time I sit down and stand and watch you. I look for them and you smile and way around there, so you all quit them off.
Watch you now, no? I have to follow up the argument in there, but you're done. I have to follow up the argument. But you must say to you now. More you go back and start. And pay attention. You understand? I beg you, please pay attention for the business today.
Sure, you go down there.
Go on back and stall and talk to me like that. Go on back and stall. Okay.
Here we have it. Use your phone, see? And call him and say if you not get him, use my phone and call him. I say if you get him with my phone, run operation for him, see? Fixing business. So you have to give him a call first and see if you get him. If you not get him with your phone, you have to use my phone, see?
Feel a joke, man. The phone ring, you know. See, there'll be a joke in him and they're going to voicemail now. I'm sure it's a be a joke to him and
After nobody know I know. And he want me to say, what expect me to do more than
Call my girlfriend.
Hello, baby, what's up?
You're fine job, you know, hard work as always, and you know things are alright. Boy, every time I have to talk to her, just pure problem man, like, you know, pain my butt. But I'm still I want to do what I have to do. You know, me a big brother, I have to do my thing, you know, it go already.
use my phone and call him and see if I get him. See? Use my phone, see? And call him.
You can take a break from work sometime, you know. You don't have to just stress yourself. I love you, babe, so I don't want nothing happen to you. And you know, say the other day my uncle did contact me and tell me say it's gonna need 25,000 more to legalize the bar. So the business get straight, our police know how we up and down so we can make some more money. Jason. You know, say me I put enough effort in this year for me and you don't it?
Yeah man, I know B. I know say I did everything, man. I know that. And I just want you to know say I really appreciate it. Trust me, really and truly appreciate what you do for me. January. Cause I just, you know, say it kinda really hard out here every day I work and it's like I not really see nothing, you see me? I not really see nothing. But guess what I'm on a life still now. That's a life set still, you see me? And B, hold on there. Somebody will call me. Soon call back, give me a minute, man. Hello?
Need the boy answer. Yo! What? Where money there? You don't know what talk to your skinny brother. Yes.
Oh, I think that's skinny. What going man?
Want my money reach me today, or else.
Yo, I know say I work on you, brother. I work on you, man. Trust me, I work on you. Just that, you know things tough, brother. I mean, I'm looking to start take care and sit in my you know, things kind of tough, brother. But I work on it, man. Trust me, I work on it.
A month me away from the money, you know. I know hear boy and your sister. So this is not gonna happen to you today. Today, yeah. Or else, I will see what I want. Isn't it?
Skinny. Oh, you born star.
Yo, me have a dog, you call me dog now, you speak. Yo, what go on, me dog?
No, says I move me a group on me general.
You know, say me have a little work, see you mash. Yeah, man. I wish what you said again.
No, I'm not the man, them man. We work at the public beach.
Alright, you wanna? I'm charge you come with me and show me a little vibes and want you to walk over the beach. You see me over the public beach. You want a little mission to match for him. So you wanna give you the work.
So much that they work they are pay so.
Don't worry about the money, man. The money I lease, man. Don't worry about the money part. You see?
Me a park the local bike and go deal with it. Send me a picture.
Yo, when you reach, you just call me and I'll send you the picture. Yeah. Alright, let's do that. This is you and I'm missing on the dream. You see, alright, watch it. See, as soon as you reach and call me, you're going to hear about it.
Yeah, you know, something come up in us. They play here. Nah, man, everything alright, man. Everything good, man. You call about it. Same.
Alright. Like, seriously?
Yeah, what's for this?
$400, sir.
I too dear, man. You can't go cheaper than that, man.
No, sir, that's for my things. If you don't want it, just kindly put it back.
Oh, man. A beach is not like where people come to enjoy themselves, you know, so I can't go with a price. And people are stressed out on the meal price of this, you know.
You're not easy, sir. If you don't pay that, put it back down, please. Put it back
man,
down.
so you are. Give me a better price.
No, I that for it.
So how much is the bun?
$200, sir.
I reach you and reach half of it. Eh?
What you mean?
A beach is enough. Hi, girl. People come for eat a bun and drink a drink so then you sell them so dear, man. Come down with some better price.
Listen to me, sir. You see, if you don't have the money to pay for the things there, I can kindly put them back, please. Because I not change my price to please you. I'm sorry.
So I don't make no money, you know. See? Alright.
Look how long are there, sir? And me want something to buy you just a whole lot of time. If I can't afford the things, then I just put on something make somebody else
That's
buy.
how I can't make no money, man. It's alright.
Sorry about that. I saw them come here all the while, come talk one bag of something and them know them can't afford the stuff. But how they look to buy
Worry yourself, man. I know where road run, man. I just want a bottle of water and one stone ginger wine, please.
What stone ginger wine?
No, hot.
Yo, me G. Yeah, man, me send you the picture. Check your phone, man. Me send you the picture of the youth. Yeah, man. Me send you the picture of the youth, man. See me, I say, so just, you can just do your thing. See? Yeah.
Are you wanna run this style here?
No, sir. I'm my brother and my lifeguard over on the beach.
Okay, my name is Karen. What's your name?
Akela, my name, you know, but everybody call me Tara. So I bring you come a beach today. We come a beach, come to chill out.
Yeah, man. Chill me come a beach, come chill. One bag of things up on my head. Just come to come steam off something. You know?
I understand what you say sometimes. I feel like go some other stress. So around here you come from?
I'm not really around here I come from, you know. I'm not too come out, you know.
So you have to do it sometime, girl. You have to stay in.
Anyway, nice to meet you at all. No one if you want exchange number with me. We can hang out and be friends.
Yeah, man. You want to take mine or you want to give me yours? Because I well want to live here, so if you get the chance to live, yeah, we can hang out. Karen! Yeah, left us one ginger wine.
Thank you, later.
Alright.
So, I'm going to kill her. So, nothing sell if I stall it. Nothing sell it.
I want me to you.
Nothing wrong in everything good, man.
I want lady come here, come buy one water. So what do you?
Everything good, man. But I just want to know, say, boy, you know, you have focus on things and you can make a money, you know. But you know, I go down to places to watch people, you know, so go and date me, you know.
You want me to go along, so?
Hello, miss. Are you on the staff?
Yeah, how you want?
What's the enough thing what I want to do, move my boy? You know, give me a dragon now. So what you name, mama?
So what? I want to make you want to know my name.
So, yeah, leave me some, mama. Just want to know your name, you know. Sister, you are in a style, and my sister, you know, make one little money now and then, you see me? So, like that. I don't want to show you one other way, see me, if you can make some other money on the side, see me.
So which other way that me can make some more money? Oh, what that? No, no bother with it. Go and do business with the one day. Now do that.
You're going to get for the guns. You see me? Go and get for the guns.
And me, you want police come down here, come haul and pull? No, I prefer sit right here and go and juggle them look something here from the start. Me alright.
I hear me since you go there, so you know. Just want you to think about it, you see me? Give me a number, man, give me a call, man. You see, pray? Yeah, man, just think about it, man, you see me? Give me a link, man, you see it?
Yo, brother, you know something I'm going to do, but I want some money for borrow, you know, bro. Yeah, man, important, man. I want some money for borrow, man. I want some money.
Not even time, money for borrow. I mean, you want him from to borrow. You not even tell me what I go on. I am bridging. I like you, for what you say, the island move away, but you still not tell me what I go on. Where are you with money?
Oh, man, you know, so I do some things, brother, I have to deal, man. I do some things I have to deal, man. You don't really have to worry about it, brother. Don't make sure you reach your back. You see me, I say, but I just that. I do some things I have to deal. I don't really want to chat about it, but trust me, man, you'll get back your money, brother. You'll get it back. I
know you're not tell me what I go on still, you know. Because you tell me say you want money to borrow. You don't show me nothing and make me know what I go on, you know. How much money you want, sir?
You know, so I want 55,000 to borrow, though, bro.
55?
Yeah, man.
Brother, you know me, I do the same job, I know a little money we get. You have to work around 3 months to get that. So me I go find like the money left from me, I know big deal, man. 55, as much as me I have bridging. 55,000, no boy, you know. And you know what's a full equipped to work your hand too much.
Yeah, man, yeah, brother. Make you stay ready, that's good, man. You think good, man. You see me? You stay, man. You think good, man. Me match like that. That's good, man. Respect, stay. What you want to do? I can go back to our post here, man. Alright? But respect still again, you see me?
Right, that's well, because we kind of done that so long. You know?
Yeah, man. Respect, bro.
Alright, brother.
What you mean, Blink? A long time when we were in the street, you know, you're there, so, brother. I remember how you think you used to run one time, you carried it up there, so. I want a good idea, brother, for your holiday. And do your thing, you know? Yeah, man. Be real, man. You mean? I love
catch back your thing, and my fans, them love me. That's why things are original and cat, you know what I'm saying? Business, they moving supermarket, right place, right price.
The original
name. Beach,
original name, yeah.
Original name for the beach, for the people them know it's a cat to this for a long time. I understand, yeah. Beach, my friend them there, lifeguard there. We have a time for business, we have a time for friend show.
Jason,
what?
Come here.
Too far, man. I got too far.
The boy. Bring.
What
bring in here something like I want gunshot.
Yeah, man. I'm like right up the side now.
Yeah. Alright. I wonder what happened with it.
Yeah, man.
Hold on, something wrong, man. Something right, man. So they shoot somebody up the road, I go look at who and see how they shoot. I don't know. Back up.
I wonder who gets shot. Jesus. Come on, man. Walk around this room, man. Run to the door, man. hospital and just get shot. You see, so hear from him, man. I'm my brother. And they call the ambulance. No.
Yo, see the dog a call back. Yo, where you see her going on down the J? Yeah. Alright, I see a road, man.
Alright, calm down yourself, pal. They might rush him to the hospital. You don't have nobody at all can go to the hospital to assist him.
No, I just see two away alone. I don't even know me I go do right now.
That means you don't have nobody at all. Nobody at all to call. No. Alright. Go sit down right there, today. See, I'll make you sit in here from here. I'll go best and come back. Sit down right there, sir.
John was there, mama. Can't believe me get the final say brother that man they will get shot, you know. You see me? Can't believe say they get shot. So where are they so? Oh, you know the hospital for check out if they are good and them really check if him alright and check if him dead or find out if him alright, you know?
I want my friend them here wait pan people and look at them.
Yeah, so when I go to eat, you know. Doctor really expensive with when I get gunshot and them thing there, you see me? Cause them thing they very expensive, so where I go to know? See the thing we may not tell about earlier on today, you see me? Like best way right now, that would help out right now in the best way, you see me? I swear to you, would help you out right now, cause hospital fee for gunshot not cheap, you see me? So right now that would be the best thing right now for you. Help you out right now, help out your family, help out your brother right now. Because I know you don't want your brother to dead right now. You see me? Yeah, what I got to do now, mama? Zine, big man thing. Because I need one time to set too long, because you don't know where to do your work, you see. When you go down at the hospital, find out how much fee, check up your brother, how much it costs, and them things there. And make me know what I go on. You see me? Because I can't stay here right now, you see it, so I just drop off a thing. You see it. You see me, that the help out the family, man, for now, man, you see it.
Babes, I really feel it right now.
Remember, say to me, say I'm on a police, you know, and he worked late shift last night, and he's soon forward.
Oh shit, me not to remember. Hey, you have to leave right now. Right now. Come, put on your shoes. Already?
Wagwan! Eh? I come to lock up your VGG, you see. But anyways, it's the red money I come to give you, because I really don't like, come down here and say, you know, them little boy there, I don't want to shoot one of them, you know. But here we go, you know. Don't make a start out the rent, but let me lock up a little bit now.
Babes, you know, so no more that gear, but the period that come down for me. But still, I want the rent money because my rent due.
I like your lips, yeah. I really like your lips. So nobody have to talk about no period. And now, make period do period business, I am about the more business. What you say?
Babes.
Listen to me now, man. I have a long day at work. I just need to pull down my gun and just relax myself a little bit. And you get your money, right? And just relax. So what problem?
I know the problem for relax with your babes, but
Shopkeeper, what go on?
Monday, I know.
Man, I look as special I know because today's a hot day to beef ball.
Kind of special you want? Rum special? Or Pepsi? Rum and boom or Pepsi? What you want it?
Give me boom because my Pepsi not gonna work with the energy I need right now. Give me boom. Boom and JB.
I can't drink rum so early, man. Nice Sunday, are you?
I make a narrow escape a while ago. It's good to be alive. You know what I mean? But tell me something. You know a policeman only dug in road down there, sir? You know him?
I wish one of them. And if I want to drive a blue parada down there, sir.
Yes, man, I him same one. But what you know about him? Which division him? I may ask you too much question here, sir. Just give me a special.
You can't ask me anything about him, man. A long time I live here, you know. Ask me anything when you ask me about him, man.
Alright, I'll see you, yeah?
Alright, bye.
Hold on, man. Turn up on your foot, man.
So, babes, what man scan you? Scan me?
Not scan you. But I never scan you. But you just diss me, you just break me heart a while ago. Eh? You know me done at work. Once something, me tell all this soup life, you come up here and you come tell me foolishness. So you can never tell me before, you tell me say you want the money, you said you're there for your period. We could at least send the money to your account. I never have to come here, sir. Eh? Who will you take me for?
I'm not growing, babes.
Listen,
you know
listen. Right? You could have tell me from start say I see a period. Joke thing you depend on, but you're not serious business. Anyways, where you go, man?
Alright, babes. Love you.
Love me. Just pay your rent.
Telling that early man. Me? Nah, look, no policeman, girl. No. You rough. When me see the gun, when me see my life, when me think about, no, sir. Like that.
Bomba!
Man has a respect.
Watch yourself, you know. Policeman a ramp with them, girl, you know. Policeman a ramp, just be careful. Play your game, play it right. Last man, woman, if you look at policeman, woman. I hear me, boss?
Yes. Alright then. It was nice, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, big up yourself.
So much worse. What a good thing we didn't go up another tree here. Oh God.
Yo, Popeye! Yo! Come here now.
So you are dealing with General?
I'm not there going easy, but here we going now. It's like say, this a week here rough. Money kind of, I don't know, I'm tired for big money to bump on that. But here we go, I'm not on choice. But I don't know if you can lend me one 10 grand.
Well, Andy, if you can say you owe me already, I wish you had even planned to pay me back first. The 10,000, the 15,000, 20,000, or the 40,000, which one? Come on, man. Every minute you borrow.
So you deal with for real, brother. Brother, a Kangal days and Travel Fox and them sitting there, you know, brother, days where I come from, you know. You remember I used to let them boat for go out back in the days? In a grade 7, you remember them days? I lend them things them and I get them back, you know. And you tear them on fence because you jump over Miss Rona yard. You remember them time there? And me I come to you now because things not really as nice as now. And me I ask you a favor, I don't want to help me. Yo, you really don't want to help me? Tell me for you why.
Alright.
You really want to help me?
Forget then this. But remember, say enough money you owe me. I won't leave, you know. I don't like say I want to look at chump change. The money you owe me can do something, can start a business. But anyway, I forgot to go for your money around. So I lend you, you know. Because we are friends. So if you can wait for me right here, so I go for your money.
Alright, respect. But guess what now? Me don't want to look at hurry. So send it with Junto data. Don't get so. See?
Alright, me send it with that.
Yo, respect our manners to the boss. Thanks for always. Yo, what you say? I'm going to pay back money 15, the 10 and the 40. Because you know what I mean, I work hard, you know. None of this can be in vain, you know. See, sir? So we can't kill you, come on. Here, boss.
That's all. You come back if you know my money for borrow again. That's all you know, full of sweet talk. And confuse people brain about borrow and then tell about next week. Next week can't come out now. Next week.
So Shelly, I win at the court date.
I'm not sure, you know. But me hear them say something about somewhere in the next week or so. And he might get released.
You know, say if you get released, you know, you can't stay down here, you know. So what you plan for do? You must have some idea in your head.
I'm not thinking can go find me. Because I have one little place done so. Nobody know about
Shelly.
it.
Yeah, sister. And your safety me I think about right now. Serious risk you think about, you know. Them man they will find you. And if them not find you, their friend find you. You better be careful of what you do. And you think, let me tell you something. You said that earlier. It's not who you know, you know. Who you think they don't know you, they know you. It's not who you know, who know you. You have to be careful of what you do.
I know, you know. No. But things sticky out here. I talk to one little man and he carry the rent come, but it's like the money short.
I'll figure out something. I have to figure out something to sort it out. Don't worry about that. See? Don't worry about that. Come on. Sis, you know sister them currently want change?
I know say place that stay too good enough, but I work pan to get it clean up.
They want change man if you start out the place better than this. I don't like how you look. Like you really work on things. You can't tell me nothing, you know? Because a tree come on them your hand too.
What you talk about? You think me a little bikini? Me not a little bit, you know? And as me tell you, one little man come here some my time. You just make sure say you are protect yourself.
You go on here? Go on.
Sis, me never want to tell you, you know? But me have one policeman. Me have an idea. The man they make money. Feel like say if we just come up with a plan and rob him. What do you think?
If we are going to deal with that, I have some serious money. I can't have a little bit of money I tell me about. Because I'm in a run joke.
What you mean, sis? We're going to do it. We'll do it for one whole heap of money. We're not doing it for a little bit of nothing. But anyways, I'm going to make some call. I'm with him realize say you're not really into me again.
What?
See all this man they wake up. Normally when you wake up you just say, babes, you look pretty, you know. This man they not say, babes, you look pretty or nothing. You just get up and just start the way you do so. How I go on?
Look how much things you have to do this morning. Go wash your plate. Go sort out the mat out of front. I don't know how to sort it out because there's so much things you are telling me to do at once. And then me I do it. I don't know what I want. Babe, you're pretty every day. You understand? You're a beautiful woman. But you have to understand, say, when you put me under pressure sometimes to do everything, it's kind of frustrating. I go forget. Because you love attention. You know that.
Yeah.
So stop acting like that.
supposed to love attention. Me feel your woman. You're a female man. If you always want your attention. As much as me give you enough things to do, in between you're supposed to come back to me. First one you do, you come back and say, babes, your eye them pretty. Second one you go back and come back to me and say, babes, your teeth them white. Third one you go, you come back and you say, babes, the shape good, you know. I want to tell you, I'm supposed to always have your attention. So nobody come to me with your foolishness.
Oh my God. You hear me? You hear yourself? I wonder if you hear yourself. If me have a phone recording right now, I can hear yourself. Me feel run go so. I relay me I play. I must relay. Me tell you this. I understand you. But the greatest thing if you appreciate. Because I done gone left, right, and center, but me still there, yes, so. Yes, me not give you attention. But come on. Jesus. Eh? You have to work it out with me. You know what I mean? Alright then. Give me a little time out then because there's no way I run. Yes, I run. Come back. I don't really make a play.
When me a peel your banana, you ever ask the time off yet? Hello, the least you can do, I go and come back and tell me how beautiful I am. And stop the complaining about what if I think upon your brain. Me I only think for the upon your brain. When me I do the dirt and do everything where you like, you ever ask the time off yet? The least you can do, I come to me every minute and say, you look sweet today, you're looking beautiful, honey I love you, all them things there. You complain about you want time off. Hello, I only think for the upon your brain. You complain when you want this, when you want all of this? No, you're not complaining. So when me tell you, say, you have to go and come back and tell me how beautiful I am, you're supposed to be. Yo, ready to come on and rock with one.
Yo, if you're a girl, you have to have style. Come here tell you, say, you see me? I have 2 girls, and you see 2 of them live in 1 yard. And none of them don't know. Because a style do it. I have girl all boy place, I have girl round so. And I have 1 girl up on the lane there. Because of style. And I love the flow. You see what I say? I'm a girl is brother. Actually you don't understand.
Oh, go on out there, so. How are they going?
So hold on there. What about you do? How much money you have?
One me have. Only 1. But guess what? We don't really need no more because, you know, she kinda too much, you know? Because the attention thing, me not no space for nobody else. Because right now, I know that she's home. That's what I talk about.
How are they going? How are they going out here, so?
Babe, I'm for no reason. I eat the ice mint and cool out. Nothing wrong, nothing wrong. I talk. I just talk, I want you ready for me now?
Yo, you know something you cut to a public. Just deal with it, isn't me? Really?
So wait there, look like your friend is more important than me. Me there in there so want little attention and you out here so with friend.
Babe, come on man, yo. Out here say my brethren and talk to him. Why make you always stick me up with something?
So I wonder how you would have feel if me forgot spend all of the time where you forget with my friend them.
Me don't want you give your attention to your friend them want me forget. You understand? So no stick me up man, just a reason for a second. You understand? So when it come down to the fact say your time or your time, me not take out of your time. So what you want from me? What you want?
You know what? Don't make me reach him before you, you know? Don't make me reach him before you. Alright. So, where you hold out on board? You don't know what if you do?
Oh. You're beautiful. How's your day, sweetie? Is there anything else you want me to do for you now?
How you sound, sir? You don't sound confident at all. I swear me not believe you. By the way, how you the phone I text? You have next woman?
Come on, babe. You want the phone? Me not text nobody. Me just a chill because we're up on the road all day. And, you know, I start out. Me deal with everything. You close them, wash the clothes and fold up. You know what I mean? Me don't know. I just that. Alright. What you want me to do now? Tell me what you want me to do. Me don't want money.
What the fuck? Give me a phone. You not use no more phone first away. Give me a phone. Give me a wallet too. Cause me not fuck no phone for man goes. Give me a wallet. Give me. Go over this sit down. Get up.
Yo, this man.
Your bright self.
I feel like a torture. Just because I have a woman? No, sir.
Babe, you know, said I have something more I want to tell you. I'm the one we tried to tonight.
I could have what that now?
Me come tell you.
This a rasta. Give me wallet. Second time in life, yeah. Yo.
Babe.
Who ya?
Babe. Babe, where you gone? Where you gone left me? You know what? Me I go date a ballad. I rasta now work out.
Thank you for watching thus far. It's a pleasure. I appreciate you. You know what I mean? So guess what? If it's the first time here, you know, subscribe, like, share, and do the right thing. Because I appreciate you. And I'm just growing bigger only with you. So guess what? If you're over AV, if you're there public report, if you're there where?
Bad Girl Care TV.
Just like, share, and subscribe. Hey, you see she bad, you see? Or I say bad, me not talk with a normal bad. Crazy in a real life for sure. But guess what now? Thank you. Big up yourself. Tell them something. Tell them something. Tell them
Thanks for watching, guys. The link is in the description below. Just like, share, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, you know. Make sure you share too. Alright.
Hey V, why pray? Hey V, where you there? Where you there? Hey. Candy, boy, man, I tell you, today was such a hard day. So I feel I drink coffee for revive myself, cause yo, too much energy used up there, but I still have my energy for you, man. Don't worry yourself. Everything go alright for later on. You know what I mean?
I saw you go on, man. Always tell me about later. And you save up energy for me. Save up energy for me? Every time you tell me say you save up energy for me. By later, me lie down in the bed, not even 2 minutes, you drop asleep. I don't understand how I go on.
Babe, remember this, you know. We are living in the human race. So who first come, win. You understand? Yeah. That time for half an hour, 45 minutes. That I when at 13, left that today. The young shooters out there, you know, the shotters, aka shotters. You know what I mean? A long time we do it thing, you know. You know what I mean? Enjoy it too. And you better glad to me come quicker. Some people can't come none at all. You know what I mean?
You say energy, you know? I never me. I don't say nothing about no energy. Babes, you know it's a time to be step up with the family thing there.
Family thing?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, my family, I don't understand what you're talking about. Explain more. I'm going to get what you say.
I want one baby now.
What you say? Baby? I'm a rock stone.
And you are all out. Time for you give me one baby now, man. I don't understand. How I go on?
In that demo time, yeah. That's a whole long business right now, yeah? If me want pitney, I invest so much in you, look how much condom over top there, so. You see it? Condom and all these things and accoutrements and birth controls and all these trolls and all these things. No, man. No, right now. Alright, you are going. I'm not going to break your hopes because I understand you have, you know, you have your intentions, you have your dreams. But guess what happened now? No. Give me 10 more years.
10 more years? I don't understand. How am I going to wait 10 more years? I don't even know if 10 more years from this me still can have one pitney. And what's going on with you? Something wrong with you and you won't tell me? You keep secret from me? You need to let me know. Because if something wrong with you, maybe carry on.
Yeah, something wrong with me? You can't look on me? Hey, mama, when me turn up, you know. You know what I mean? When me step in. When me spit out. You never know how I go. I mean run things. You know what I mean? But guess what now? I am trying to let you understand that. I'm not ready for that right now. Because we need to fly out. We need to you know what I mean? Instead of here try to find who we gonna left Jim Brown or who say whatever you gonna call the baby name to or with. We can use a money that job we say look a bit. Alright. Since at 10 you have a problem with 8 more years. See? And then we can
alright kid. Rain and come down. Did you take up the clothes then?
Yeah man! Rain and fall. Of course we take up the clothes. My clothes them take up. You know what I mean? Alright, look on it now. If baby when they are so right now, you feel so we can they are so cool out and watch the rain? Eh? Just think about that. Right now, I'm not tell you something I don't want to run, you know. And nobody feels something happen to me because everybody I work properly. You understand? So understand this. It's not just about that. It's about
babe. No, Mr. White problem. You feel say if we have one child together, you're not going to explore no more. You're not going to enjoy yourself. You can't go nowhere. You can't this, you can't that. Nothing go so. Because we can enjoy ourselves watching the child grow up together. It's nice when you watch a picnic grow up, you know. You teach them right from wrong and make them know the truth from wrong things. You understand? Yeah. So I don't understand how you want just hear so.
Argument done, you know. Lock out that there. Lock out that sound that can play so. See? Because me there so now I just want me to just enjoy the moment. And at that you bring come naga. What the fuck? You are going. Me have a cool out run so you know. So go and do your thing, yeah? Because I can't understand what I'm going. Cool out what you're saying. You want to come more here?
What you idiot? Going out in the rain.
Alright.
When you're sick, make sure you say no come in with no flu and no contaminate me because I'm doing business with you.
And that you say? You're right.
Lucky. That's why I don't forget pick me when you're not sick and them big then can help you. Look for you too. Now wait for you.
So you don't know, sir. Go down this over there, go buy a pound of flour in one shop. Everything raised up, you know, mommy?
Yeah, man. Everything raised up. Sometimes I go down there to buy me one left and come home here. You go to buy 2 items and the price what you get. Me so give up shop still, you know. You can't go in it too long. Because it's like me hungry, I throw one pad. I say, see money you put in, you take out the back same way. You rough me, boss. So if you can't manage it,
true, no, mommy. But you know, say you can't give up the shop still. That's all them things they run, you see me?
Can't give up.
Every dollar count still, you know?
Can't give up, Pop. Really. Glad me I will not support me still. Give thanks, you hear?
Well, yes, man. Sometimes you give me something to do.
I'm going to give me heart. What you say?
Yeah, man.
Doing good. Navi, service.
Yeah.
Service up around here, say, you know?
Yeah, anytime.
Oh, yeah, me. Hey, give me one Pepsi, I say to my stomach answer, cause...
No, so cold in what you can't drink.
Yeah, man, it's good, man. Never think of deal. You can't deal with the icy sitting, you know.
So I go on, Jenna. Long time I don't see you in that place, you know. Where you deal with?
I'm there easy, no, brother. Just want to take a stroll and beat a one Pepsi second my stomach, you know what I mean? Cause I'm there raised with mama a while ago. She talk about picnic them in a dinner time. You know what I mean? Cause, alright, Navi, I have Pepsi now. The Pepsi price that raised from last month.
Yeah, man. Price then raise up, man. But then should have dare still, you know. But I try to support me all along, you know.
Everything I raise, brother. And then she gonna talk about picnic in a dinner days.
I understand what you're saying, no? But you can't watch that, you see me? Because the youth them want to come. You see me? You get no youth yet?
No, sir, I'm not getting no youth yet. But yo, brother, I run down things. Yo, me a young brother, you know. You know what I mean? Me not run that down. That will come, man. Time did it for that. You know what I mean? Right now, I just want to enjoy myself and, you know what I mean? Just see what life has.
Yeah, I understand. Well, some of us say we are waiting upon time, you know, brother, and when the time run out now, we all still start to look around some people with all them family. Feel all the way, you see me? You know, I gonna need a youth them to come take care of you. You know them ready?
Yeah, man, that's something I want, you know what I mean? That's something I can deal with things, because, yo, time now wait for no man still, you know. But at the end of the day, I still have to, hold on, I still have to deal with that. Hold on. Yeah, Richie? Yo. I'm there, man, I'm there. Where you there? Alright, good. Here what you do for me? Me have one line bill when I want pay. Yeah man, just pay for me. And when me see you, just oh yeah man, I can deal with you, man. Yeah man, I can start it. Don't worry yourself. How much? Alright, me pay bill, man, don't worry. Alright, bless myself, man. Cool. Yeah. General, you are going there now. You have to cut out, you know. See? Bless myself. Yes, sir. long time in the see you. What you doing here, sir?
What you mean? Alright, up there some live. I live up there for around 5 years now.
Yeah? Wait a sec, what period there, sir? That means you have to do some catch up, you know. But all your time stay during the day. Like, you know, you're free, you know, what time? What time you free?
You know, say though, I work from home. So during the week, I'm busy, but on the weekend I'm free. But you have a girlfriend?
No, I don't have a girlfriend. I have a girlfriend, man. So wait a sec, weekend you're free, we can link up, cause next weekend will be perfect for me.
Yeah man, I'm supposed to free next weekend, you know. Next weekend can work.
Alright, here we go. You see, next weekend, 7 p.m, Rex Cafe. What that sound?
Yeah man, no problem. You know, so I look forward to it.
Alright, you see, that sound like a date. I'm gonna just make you put your number in a this phone, yeah? You know what I mean?
Alright.
And then link up. You're not gonna start in and know yourself. Just gonna take my time. So care. Link up. Here.
Alright.
So upper there say that?
Yeah, upper there.
So later we talk, here?
Alright.
Girl, ain't gone no long. All me talk to him about is that we need a child. And he start kick up in antics and gone it in mad self about him gone a road. So, he ain't gone, me no business with him. Make him go on, he should have wait up in a rain and catch cold. Make him come back and say nothing to me. I'm lucky.
The man right for you. You know see how time hard. Where you do baby in them time ya? Or if him no want breed you, go back one next one breed you.
You know, it's not make no sense sometimes we say something to some kind of people we take for a friend. I can't believe say you just said that to me. Really? Girl, so you don't want to pick me?
Of course I want pick me. But me wait until I financially stable me breed. Oh, me for breed now. I'm broke. Me can't find food now.
It come like you have some problem or something, you know. You know what? Me I come get up and go at my yard. Sir, me did come over there.
What one time be?
Maybe a man, you good?
Yeah, man.
The man, I just left me a little, you know? So you link, yeah?
How go on, babe? You know, say, Candy man just overshop. I thought about she pressure him for baby and them something.
You know what I say? I said things she over here so that then she come and talk say. Me no business with her. It look like she don't realize how things are run all time hard.
Jano Star, you know, so I'm not even feel for going to my yard tonight, yeah. Can't take the vibes down on the yard, you know. Sure, that's what I'm going to say. The man trying to save your skirt, yeah, alright?
Hello?
No, I'm not calling too fast, you know.
No, you're not coming too fast. Oh, you want to come over? Alright, you can come, man. Yeah, me there lonely too.
You feel the same way? My God, alright, here we are going. I don't know if I can pass through, because I'm up on the road, I don't really, you know, I don't know what to do, but if just come check you. That the mood I'm in right now. Come? Alright. What color house?
I want white house. Yeah, I want a grill paint white too. It's not hard to find, man, you can't find it. Alright, man, we'll pay you.
Alright. Now found right now here. Right now. Alright, babe. Cool. Yeah, come. Alright.
Come like this, man, and now come in yard. How about this, man? some man don't want a baby now. I wonder what I could have do to change his mind. No man, it might take long to come. Me go call him. Me go call him.
General. How go on, man? I have no condom.
No, I say I don't say none of there now, my father.
None of there?
None of there, my father.
Alright, you know what? Respect my man. Yes, sir.
Alright, that's alright.
You know, it's a long time ago. Alright. Alright, nothing wrong if you take a one chance, you know. Long time ago.
I'm coming! Hi!
Mister.
You see, if you're not busy later, I'd like if you could come over again, because I have something extra special for you.
I see the paper phone, I didn't even realize I'm concerned. I said even for me. Anyways, you think me not see the man who come out of your house this morning? Tell me what go on, because I know you not have no man. Where you get man from? Talk up.
I saw you watch out my business. Make you see man come over my yard. Girl, I want to look a friend for a long time and come over there where they just busy at talk, because a long time I not seen where catch up and things.
Virgin Mary had a baby boy. You think me born yesterday? I know say una there in there do things. Una did there in there do things. You think my born big like so not true?
Alright, me I go tell you what go on. You see? I'm look a friend and me did the last night and me just lonely and bored and he called me and said him come over. I just say, alright, come over. And he come and greet him at the door and thing. And we did there and him touch me and I get excited and I just split the pineapple and make him put the banana in there. Girl, me not tell a lie. It's nice. Girl, you know have it in a waist alone, you have it in a face too.
Yes, girl, you're born. So girl, I feel your man or what? I need to know, you know. Because if I feel a personal man, when I see him on the road with a girl, I have to go say something. But if I know your man and I see him on the road with a girl, I know I have to squat my leg up ass and go one side. Are your man or what?
Girl, to be honest, I don't know where we stand yet because we never see each other for a long while and we just see each other. I went yesterday and we just decided to link up and thing. But me here saying I'm a girlfriend still. But me just go on and see where things go.
Alright, you can't go down anyways. I like mix up my come here because you know I'm ever done in a hair business.
Alright, me girl, text me when I reach done. Okay.
Joe. I can't beg some credit. No worry about that, man. Just send me some credit. You really send her credit, my youth?
Boy, if me send her a little credit, you know, because she has stopped me out to know anything. I'm gonna stay like the rest of man their way. We just deal with woman and not give them nothing. I'm gonna stay so.
Well, I don't really have no problem, But every minute she call you and tell you that she want credit, you take up your phone and send credit go give her. I do even few man, so I don't see what you send her credit for.
Well, you can go and talk, because everybody have to share. I'm certain no say all you good all share too.
Excited credit coming. Hello. Girl, nobody the excitement. Come, where's the happen now? Hey! Me a come, girl, me a come. Whoa, me a come. Why you this one here? So girl, why you tell me something if you call link and me see the walk come away they go? Girl, this is a story I couldn't wait. I have to walk out meet you with it. Come sit down and tell you about it. Brad, what you know say I man look for
Follow this one, man. Consider yourself.
So Brad, what you doing on your saddle? What you want to do on your saddle?
Right no more. Not even up to this right now, Because enough dip on the brain right now.
The day after, so you're not worried about nothing the day after. I don't know you can tell me anything, not true. So all the stress to me off your head, I have to take them off, because I'm there for you. But I still want to hear what stress you out and what they put your head still.
Remember Jaden, our older brother?
Yeah, man. Remember Jaden, man. All up to last week, I see him come from work up at hotel.
You know, say what you see him come from, though. You know, again, look at them fire him. I understand. I did help do certain things right now. My mother is sick in the hospital. And I did do certain things. And I have stress. But anyway, I'm going to lay low.
Boy, I'm sorry for hear that, So you can't get no more work. By the way, how you know say your brother breed that cat be the way you tell me about say your brother breed? And your brother fi know, and you know instead of your brother.
A bag of things are going on. I'm not even know what to tell you. John, no. Swear.
Remember Jay? Jay. Which year that day? You remember Jaden from Good Up? Brown Jaden we used to go to high school with? Him same one. And he start work at Sanders now? No girl, they fire him. And that make the story sweeter. You know Kayla? Yes girl. So what happened now? She nearly breed for Jaden. So hold on there. Jaden not married? Then night girl. Hey! So hold on there. Where you get all them a story? Who tell them a story? You know I said we can't do to load it up still, but yeah, we soon get it fully. Well, if people them wanna call me, so we talk, we link up. Alright girl, me have my ear for go deal with too. So we link.
me general. Is there a piece of paper here?
Yeah.
I don't care about it. I don't get it done in there. You see me?
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Alright. So deal with it, you know?
Yeah. Deal with it, man.
Just relax yourself, no, man. I done kill out things already. You need to fuss up yourself. Relax, man.
Alright, don't do that. Anyways, I have a party. One more invite you. So it's on the 12th of August and it's a breakfast party. It starts at 7 a.m. until night. Yeah, come or you not come?
Yeah, man. When we come. We don't know, sir. We don't plan to stay too long, and I'm just command us buy one drink and eat a food and cut. Party vibes and thing. Plus, man just get shut up a party the other day and something. So, I think about them things. You see me?
I'm no business about that. More if I come, I'm a party. I need the support. I'm no business about Andrew Oldness, and I need you to stay. A lot of parties keeping, and I need some money.
Alright, know yourself, man. Never fall. But if you ain't charge me 80,000, order dollar.
So far, man. You give me a call.
You ain't here.
So far, man, no one do all that. Are you going to check anyway this one tonight?
Sure, but you know, I'm come, alright?
Okay.
Yeah, man. So, Papa, you see I go on now?
You know, since I got in my book, and kind of get a look at one piece, you know, I just feel emotion and love it, but
Yo, Papa,
shocking.
look how you finish telling me that story. You know, take that call, see? So just go and hold him, man, Zane.
Little girl, come here. Can I do something for me? Can I do something for me, please? You know the brown girl from this up? Bully shot, the little brown shot girl, you know her?
Yeah.
Alright, I want you to give her this for me, I hear? Give her this for me, I hear? Thanks.
Little girl. Come and see people. I will give it.
The man up there, so give me.
A brown girl over there, so bully shot. A she ain't give it figure?
Yeah.
Alright. You'll keep, you can go on. Are you going to send in the little girl and send me that piece of paper?
Yeah, make her. I make her figure somebody down this up. But how you come by?
Don't worry about that. You know, say girl no want you. You know how long me see ya right, little send go by ya. I mean never see girl make an attempt to come contact you or anything. You know, say girl no want you.
Kira, you left all the way from down there so. Come up here so. Why can't you allow my business alone? Eh? Give me paper, give me paper, give me paper.
Okay.
I'm going with you.
As a matter of fact, it's the two people them down there so when they keep the party, the man and the woman. And the same browning where you fish off. You know, so the man where keep the party and him have the browning. And the man having woman in and the browning, no. By the way, if you don't believe me, you can't come. Stop look people who don't want you and look who want you.
Yo, Papa, come in.
Give me $2 grand, brother.
You can't believe it's really the $2 grand. You really are lay wait me for. I said we come down.
Our mission to go deal with the number now.
No good for borrow. Not really good for borrow. See there.
Hey, look what I'm this up.
Uncle Papa and me done this a look pan. Him and man in an argument over 2,000. You know?
That's why your grandma can't agree and mind people business too much.
Stop it nice. No bother with grandma thing. You know the girl when you bully her?
Yeah, the brown girl will live right on this up.
Yeah. And I said then they quarrel. And I know 2,000 they quarrel over. Papa and the brown girl not think that the man want the brown girl. Them a come.
Everything good, man. No good for borrow.
I say, girl, big bad party I keep a suave. Guess who I keep the party friend? Girl, me say, I reach here Everly big bad yellow party, breakfast party at that. That's the thing now. I want to change for you for borrow because I want to go support her, but I don't have a cash already there, so I don't know if you can help me with that little change.
Don't worry yourself about the money. They can't give you money. I'm me a Richie side chick.
What you say?
Yes, girl. I Richie buy this a bus give me. I go pick you up and we go to a party.
Alright, my friend.
You don't know what go on, man. Don't worry about the money. I go come pick you up and we go to a party. I have a whole heap of things to tell you. A lot of things we have to talk about.
Talk to me nice.